Are you tired of seeing those stubborn love handles wobbling when you walk? Do you dream of a day when you can wear your favorite shirt without having to suck in your stomach all day long? It's time to take action and achieve the dream of a slim and trim waistline. It doesn't require fancy equipment or expensive gym memberships. Lift your shoulders and feet off the ground. Now, keeping your feet together, lift your legs into an L shape, then extend one leg straight out while extending the other leg at a 90-degree angle, similar to how you would if you were performing a front split. Hold this position for a few seconds, then switch sides. Repeat this 5 times on each side. You can lose those love handles right at home with just 8 simple exercises. Now turn your body to the right, shifting your weight onto your right arm and right foot. Raise your left foot a few inches off the ground and hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Repeat on the other side. Keep your lower back pressed against the floor and curl your pelvis forward under your body. Slowly lower your legs back down without touching the floor and repeat this 15 times. Lying flat on your back, raise both legs up to a 90-degree angle, then lift your hips slightly off the floor and squeeze your abs. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Lift your shoulders and feet off the ground, keeping your eyes focused on your hands. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Alternate bringing your knees towards your chest in a running motion. Make sure to keep your core tight and don't let your hips sag. Aim to do 20 reps, 10 on each leg. Switch sides and repeat this 15 times. It will take time and dedication to see results, but trust me, the end result will be worth it. Stay motivated, keep pushing, and you'll soon be saying goodbye to those love handles for good. And remember, this journey is not just about getting rid of those handles. It's about becoming the strongest and healthiest version of yourself. Are you ready to take this challenge? Comment below. Let us know you're in. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your family and friends who are also on the same journey. Together, we can achieve amazing things. So hit that like button, subscribe, and never miss out on any future videos. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Sit on the floor with your butt a few inches off the ground. Keep your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the ground. Keeping your shoulders and hips facing forward, twist your upper body to the right and tap the floor on that side. Twist to the left and tap the floor on that side. That's 1 rep. Continue twisting back and forth at a steady pace for 30 seconds. Next, bend one knee and bring that foot towards your chest, while keeping the other leg straight. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds, then repeat on the other side.
I'll do this
10 times on each side.
That's just 8 exercises to see a huge difference.
Hey guys, today we're diving into the belly area and tackling those love handles directly. So let's begin with our first exercise. Lower yourself down onto your triceps so that your elbows are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position and repeat this 10 times. Exercise No. 1. Scissors. To start, lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Exercise No. 2. Leg raises. Exercise No. 3. Russian twists. Exercise No. 4. Plank up-downs. Start in a plank position with your elbows aligned with your shoulders and your forearms on the floor. Exercise No. 5. Side plank. Start in a plank position. Exercise No. 6. Bicycle crunches. Exercise number 7. Reverse crunch. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Lift your shoulders and feet off the ground. Exercise number 8. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position. Congratulations, you've just completed all 8 exercises. Remember, consistency is key.